Do you speak English?
I understand English, but I can't speak it well.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Do you like German schnitzel?
Yes, I love German schnitzel.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have a sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it's essential for my work.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend's name is Emily.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo.
Where do you work?
I work at a bookstore called Read It All.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausages.
Do you have any pets?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any pets.
When do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. at night.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers on TV.
How do you get to work?
I go to work by bus.
What's the weather like today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a hobby. I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
Continue learning English? Click on this video here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and practice your English in the comments below.